Ava Salmo, and she's gonna show all you guys how to start a fire. And you're only how old?
9.
9 years old. Okay, first, she shaved down the magnesium strip on a fire starter. Flip it over to show them where it came from. All the backside, the thickest part of the rod, you got to get those flakes in there. If you don't do this, that's why you can't use one of these things if you don't know how to use it. But you're showing them how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, show them how to flake off some of that backside. You use your tool and you scrape a pile of that stuff. I think it's called magnesium maybe, but you guys could see the pile right there. She shaved off a bunch of it, and now she's gonna strike it, because that side, if you try to strike it with this thing, it doesn't spark at all. Now the red part where we just colored it for you guys to be able to see is she's gonna start the fire. We got some dry kindling on the side here. She's gonna get that spark going. Go ahead and do that.
It needs to fly right over here. Almost did.
That's it. That's how you start a fire. What do you want to say to people?
I don't know.
What? That was easy?
Yeah, that was easy.
All right, good, because we got this under control. You'll show those people on TV shows how to do it, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. All right. What do you want to say? Give me a thumbs up. Go start a fire.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And that's how you use a fire starter, right? You got to get that magnesium off that fire starter, which is the back side. So the back side of this little flint rod, or whatever you want to call it, that you picked up, you got to scrape the back side of it off, and that really ignites. And then you strike it with the flint side. Thanks for watching.